Okay, dear students, we are in derivatives. In the last class, we have already started derivatives. We have known what is derivative and we have done some examples also. Okay, and now let us see some more type of example. Why? Because this type of example we have not done in the last class. See, normal derivative we have done, but particularly at where x is some value, that we have not done. See, delta x tends to 0. Normal derivative, all delta x tends to 0 we have done. But we have not done at x is equal to certain value. See, now they have given find the derivative of 2x square plus 3 at x is equal to 2. You see, normally we know by formula or in the last class itself we have decided that n into x power n minus 1. 2 into x power 1. 2 into 2, 4. 4x is going to come. Why? Because for constant there is no derivative. 4x will come. We know very well. 4x. After coming 4x, normally, in x place you have to substitute 2. See, we can say limit we are applying and x value we are substituting like normally even applying limit means substituting only, but term we have to call like that. 4x into 2. 4x means 4 into 2, 8. 8 is going to come answer. But even then, as per proper procedure, we will do. Why? Because in examination, this type of question may also come. That is why we have to do all this. And for doing trigonometric function, this is required. Why? Because for trigonometric function, they have asked at x is equal to certain value. Okay. Let us do this question. Then we go for trigonometric question. Then again we go for algebra of derivatives. Okay. See how I am doing this one. Find the derivative of 2x square plus 3 at x is equal to 2. Okay, you see steps what I am writing, you observe carefully, then you can understand what is this. Okay, let f of x is equal to whatever the function they have given, I am taking as f of x. Let f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3. Okay, this one I have taken. Okay, what they are asking? They are asking f dash 2. You understand? Derivative at x is equal to 2. F dash 2 they are asking, but we know f dash x formula. First let us write f dash x. You understand now? See what I am writing. F dash x. F dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. F of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. Is it okay? First you see the formula. Okay. See, this is for f dash x, but we want f dash 2, that you keep in our mind. Why? Because they asked us to find derivative at x is equal to 2. Okay. Let us find f dash x, then we will substitute x. See, applying limit of delta x will be at last we have to do. That you keep in our mind. Before that only how to substitute this x. Okay. See, let us do what I am doing. You observe carefully. Okay, see what I am doing. That is equal to, see that is equal to means here f of f dash x. Finally we will write again f dash x. Okay, that is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. Okay, see f of x plus delta x means where x is there, there only x plus delta x you have to write. Okay, 2 into x plus delta x whole square plus 3. This will be under one bracket minus f of x. F of x again you have to write 2x square plus 3. Because two terms are there, you put in bracket, parenthesis. Okay, divided by delta x. First you understand this. Is it correct? X plus delta x means x plus delta x. Wherever x is there, there x plus delta x you have to write. All remaining function you have to write first. Minus f of x. Same function you have to write again. Divided by delta x. Okay. Now you expand this one. X plus delta x whole square you have to expand now. Okay. Okay, let us expand. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, 2 into, so I am not putting a parenthesis. Why? Because delta x square I am writing delta x into delta x, like, okay. No parenthesis you have to give. A square plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay, this one plus 3. Okay, now yeah, for this 3 there is no control on 2. Okay, okay, now you open this, minus 2x square minus 3, is it okay? See, before sending to 3 itself, here is cancelling. First cancel this 3. Afterwards we will cancel out this 2x square. Okay, in the next step we will cancel out 2 square also. Okay, now you see, that is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, 2x square plus 4x delta x, 2 into 2, 4x delta x plus 2 delta x delta x. That means delta x into delta x, like, okay, minus 2x square. Now 2x square are going to get cancelled, divided by delta x. Now you see this 2 plus 2 minus 2x square plus 2x square are going to get cancelled. Okay, what is going to come now? Okay, that is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, 4x delta x plus 2 delta x divided by delta x. Now I am cancelling one delta x and here also one delta x. Okay. Okay. Now whatever coming answer, that is f dash x. F dash x, like I am applying. You see now what I am writing, comma f dash x is equal to, okay, again I am writing f dash x is equal to 4x plus 2 delta x. Why? Because denominator delta x is already over. Now this is f dash x finally. Now wait a minute, delta x tends to 0 we have to write, that's what I have forgotten to write. Limit delta x tends to 0. Okay, until now you know very well, forget about x is equal to 2. Until now you have done properly. Now what we were doing earlier, now delta x we were substituting. What will come? 4x will come. That we know already. 2 into 2, 4x. 2 into x power n, 2 minus 1 means 2x will come. Already 2 is there, 2 into 2, 4x is going to come, like 4x has come. Why? Because delta x, if you substitute automatically 0, it is going to become. This is going to become 0, 4x is going to leave. But see here, it is not like 4x you have to keep like that only. Then last, you first apply delta x, then last you apply 2. No, you have to apply first 2. This applying of delta x should be done last. That you keep in your mind. Okay. Okay. Now you see f dash x is equal to this one, means f dash 2 is what? I am writing, you see. F dash 2 is equal to, wherever x is this there I am going to keep 2. 4 into 2 plus 2 delta x. Is it okay? Now limit will not be there. Oh yes, limit also will be there. Forgotten. Why? Because limit we have not yet applied. Limit until application limit will be there. Delta x tends to 0. 4 into 2 plus 2 delta x. F dash 2. Okay, f dash x is this one. F dash 2 is this one. 4 into 2. What will happen finally? That is equal to, or implies or equal to or comma you write. Limit delta x tends to 0. 8 plus 2 delta x. Now you apply limit, that is equal to 8 plus 0. Why? Because delta x I have not written. Why? Because delta x I already applied. Or else I can write like this. 8 plus 2 into 0, that is equal to 8. You understand now? Okay. This is the answer for your question. That means if they ask you to find derivative at particular value, see, normally earlier we have done all derivative at x, derivative at x. Okay. But here derivative at x is equal to 2, derivative at x is equal to minus 1. Like that also you may have to do these questions. Okay. Okay. Let us go for trigonometric function. Okay. See this question. First you understand. See, these are all examples only. Okay, we have not yet gone to exercise. We will do exercise later. See what they have given. Find the derivative of sin x at x is equal to 0. That means derivative of x we can find. But derivative of x is not asking. He is asking us to find derivative of function is not asking. Derivative of function at x is equal to 0 is asking. That means as usual you have to take this as f of x. Then f dash 0 he is asking, like you have to think. Okay. Okay, let us see. Let us see what I am doing. Okay. See how I am writing. Okay. Let f of x is equal to sin x, comma, f dash 0 is equal to question mark. Derivative at 0 they are asking. Okay, that you keep in our mind. Okay. Let us first find f dash x. F dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. F of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. Write down. Limit delta x tends to 0. F of x plus delta x means where x is there only x plus delta x you have to write. Okay. Okay. See how I am writing. Sin x plus delta x minus sin x. You understand now? Sin x plus delta x minus sin x divided by delta x. You write this delta x. Okay. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. Okay. Now itself we can do, see, f dash x is equal to that one. Okay. See, this is f dash x. Now I am finding f dash 0. Why? Because let us apply. Now you need not do anything. Here square, here nothing is there. Linear function only. Okay. Now f dash 0, not 2. Now itself we can do, you can substitute x value, f dash 4. See, f dash x is equal to this one. F dash 0 is equal to what? Sin 0 plus delta x minus sin 0 divided by delta x. Is it correct? First you see. Okay. This is f dash x. But we want f dash 0. F dash 0 is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. Wherever x is there you substitute 0. Okay. Now see, we know sin 0 is 0. We need not write again. What we write, you see, simply. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. See, 0 plus delta x is delta x only. Sin delta x divided by delta x. Why? Because see, minus 0 I am not writing again. Why? Why? Already minus 0. This is sin 0. Okay. Now you tell me, what will be the answer? Do you apply 0 by 0 like? No, we know one formula. What is that formula? Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1 as per sandwich theorem. Okay. If you compare this delta x x delta x x x delta x, that means what will be the answer? That is equal to 1. Do you know? The final answer is 1. Derivative of sin x at x is equal to 0. Okay. That you keep in your mind. Okay. Oh. F dash x. F dash x only. They give f of x. If they ask us to find f dash x, that is called derivative of first principle. Okay. This is called derivative of first principle. F dash 2, f dash 0, f dash minus 1. These are all normal derivatives. We don't call these as first principle. First principle means f dash x. That you keep in your mind. In examination, suddenly, if you find a derivative of first principle means don't confuse. In derivative of first principle, they don't ask a particular value. That means at x value you have to find. At x you have to find. That's all. Okay. Derivative at x. F dash x. That's all. This is called derivative of first principle. Remaining all normal values. Why? Because see, unless we know this, we cannot find the trigonometric function. That is why I could do that also. Okay. Okay. Now let us go for algebra of derivatives. Okay. Algebra of derivatives. See, algebra of limits, how we have seen limit of addition of two functions, limit of x plus f of x plus g of x is equal to limit f of x plus limit g of x, like that only it will be. But see, same like limits, addition and subtraction are sum and difference may be there here. Okay. But for multiplication and division, quotient or whatever you call, division, for division quotient, these functions derivatives are different with limits. Okay. That is why you have to understand it carefully. For addition and subtraction or sum and difference, there is no what we say difference. Both are okay, like limits. See what I am writing. Number 1, addition or rather than sum we will call of derivatives. See, derivatives means derivatives of functions or else separately or including. Okay, how I am writing, then by seeing that you can understand it carefully. See what I am writing. Now we can write d by dx. Because earlier I have told f dash x only, you have to write until some time. Now onwards you can write d by dx. You see what I am writing. D by dx of u plus v is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay. But you may get confused. What is u and what is v? U is equal to f of x, let v is equal to g of x. That means u itself is a function. U f of x, v g of x, like that you take. Why? Because see, alphabetically you take u f, you take v g, you take. Why? Because after f g will come, after u v will come in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Okay. U v f g. If three functions are there means here h will come, here w will come. That you keep in your mind. U v w f g h. Okay, these are logically we have to think and apply. That's all our brain. Okay. See, rather than writing again like this, you see how I am writing. You d by dx. See, how can you write it in a prolonged way? Prolonged way, d by dx of f of x plus g of x okay, is equal to d by dx of f of x plus d by dx of g of x. This you have to write. But rather than writing this much, simplification we have done here. D by dx of u plus v is equal to du by dx, d by dx of f of x, dv by dx, d by dx of g of x. You see. But you have to keep in our mind that u is a function, v is a function. U and v are functions here, not ordinary. If you write f of x, then only function like you may think. But here you have to take some exceptions. Okay. Okay, this is addition. See, like limits only it is there. Normal. Okay. Let us go for subtraction or difference. Subtraction or difference. Difference of derivatives. Okay, you see difference also same. D by dx u minus v is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. D by dx u minus v is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. You understand? Okay. Here also u means f of x, v means g of x. Understand now? D by dx of u minus v, d by dx of u plus v. Here plus, minus, minus. Okay. See, for v minus negative, here also dv negative. Here also, you see, here you can write vice versa. Why? Because both are addition only, plus only. But here you cannot write like this. Okay. See, these two are like limits only. Okay. But you see now, multiplication and division are different. And you observe carefully. I am going to write multiplication and division next. Okay. See, multiplication of derivatives. Okay. Multiplication of derivatives. See how I am writing multiplication of derivatives. Observe carefully. D by dx of u into v is equal to multiplication. V du by dx plus u dv by dx. Okay. U dv by dx, v du by dx. Like that also you have to write. You can write. But vice versa. But why I am preferring to write first v du by dx, u dv by dx. In division, this order will follow. Here minus will come. That is why you practice this v du by dx plus u dv by dx like. Okay. That means what you are doing, first one you are making differentiation and multiplying with second one, like you see du by dx into v you are writing. But like this also you can write it. But see, when function is there, then it is going to mix both. That is why function you write separate and different derivative you write separate like. Okay. This you can write like this also. Du by dx v plus dv by dx u also. But this v is going to become like this. Why? Because you are something writing means that will come in denominator, numerator only. Na? That is why you make separate. Okay. Or dot. Okay. Okay. See, this is a multiplication. V du by dx plus u dv by dx. This is differentiation, derivatives of multiplications of derivative. Okay. Now let us go for a division. Before going division, this multiplication of derivatives is also called this rule, Leibniz rule. Leibniz rule, Leibniz formula, Leibniz process, Leibniz theorem, whatever it may be. Leibniz was a German scientist and mathematician. On his name, it has been, what we can say, it has been named on his name. Okay, see, this theorem must have found by Leibniz, German mathematician. That is why this name has been kept to this theorem. Theorem, or what we can say, equation or formula. Okay, Leibniz rule. Leibniz rule means, don't confuse, normal only. Multiplication of definite derivatives, if you do, that is called Leibniz rule. Okay, let us go for division. Division also. Division of derivatives or quotient. Division or quotient. Quotient also we will call normally. Okay. See how I am writing. D by dx u by v is equal to d by dx u by v is equal to. Okay. Now you see. Compare. V du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by v square. See, if you make a division, then v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square has to come. This order you cannot change. Here you can change the order. U dv by dx plus v dv by dx also you can write. But you practice writing like this only. Why? Because see, same are there. For multiplication plus will come, for division minus will come, negative. For multiplication there is no denominator, or you can say denominator 1 like. But division denominator v square. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. You memorize these 4 formulae. In the next class, I am going to give proof of these 4. Okay, in the next class, not this class. Next class, for 4 formulae, I am going to give proof. Okay, now note down this d by dx. See, for addition and subtraction, both were same like limits. But for multiplication and division, there is a difference. Okay. Okay. Let us go for another proof. Function f of x is equal to x power n. That is equal to n into x power n minus 1 will come. That proof we will take now. Why? Because binomial distribution also we have to do. Okay. Let us go. See, one important proof we will do now. If function f of x is equal to x power n, then f dash x derivative is equal to n into x power n minus 1. This not proof, but verification we have done already. Several things we have verified. Same was coming, but not verification, proof we will take. Why I am taking this proof? The 4 algebra of derivatives we have made, and in future also, whatever derivatives if we want to do, then we will apply this formula directly, rather than writing f dash x is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x and applying limit on. That is going to take much time. Once you done this proof, then next time you did not do write f dash x is equal to f of x plus delta x and all. Directly you can write by this hypothesis. We can say this is hypothesis. Okay. With this hypothesis we can write. Now we are doing a proof of this one. Okay. You see here, for doing proof you require binomial theorem expansion. Binomial theorem expansion partially I will tell, not in depth. Why? Because that is a different subject completely. But how much we have to understand for this question, that much I will tell now. Okay. Before going to binomial theorem, let me write this this one. You see, when f of x is equal to x power n, I need not write again f of x. Directly I am writing, you see. derivative f dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. Okay, directly I am writing now. Okay, you see x power f of x plus n you have to write. Okay, one time I will write f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x, that is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. Okay, see f of x plus delta x means, see here only one function is there. What I am writing, you see, x plus delta x whole power n minus x power n divided by delta x. First of all, you understand, is it correct? F dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, x plus delta x whole power n minus x power n by delta x. Why? Because x power n is function here. Function x power n. X plus delta x whole power n is this one, f of x plus delta x. Okay, where x is there, there you have to add x plus delta x for x plus delta x. Okay, see, this is the function. You see now here what is tricky, n you don't know. n 2 or 3 means directly you can solve this one slowly, but n may be higher number, but for all numbers you have to do this. That is why we are calling it as proof rather than verification. Okay, see, for that what you have to understand, you have to understand binomial theorem. Okay, see, understanding binomial theorems also some simple steps I am writing here, you observe carefully. Okay, you see here what are all I am writing. See, a plus b, why? Because why I have written two terms? Why? Because two terms are there. A plus b whole power n, like only it is there. That is why I have written two terms. Okay, don't confuse. A plus b whole power 0 is equal to 1. Is it correct? Why? Because something power 0 is 1, we know. A plus b whole power 1 is equal to a plus b. Why? Because power 1 is there means nothing, like you can write same. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, we will write up to 3. A plus b whole cube is equal to 3s, a cube first. Why? Because we will follow this binomial distribution. A cube plus 3, a square b plus 3, a b square plus 3, not 3, b cube. Okay. Even a plus 4, a plus b whole power 4 also we can write. But you see, understand what is there, some logic you understand first here. Okay. I am writing some terms here. Number of terms, coefficients. Okay, coefficients, powers are indexes. Indices, actually, indexes we don't call indices, powers are indices. These three words you observe carefully here. Why? Because see, rather than going full binomial, let us understand this, then we will write directly this expansion. Okay, then we can cancel out and we will get this answer. Okay. Number of terms, you see, when power is 0, power index, when power is 0, number of term is 1. That means n plus 1 terms are there. Power is 1, 2 terms are there. You see, a plus b, 2 terms are there. Power is 2, 3 terms are there. A square plus 2ab plus b square, 1, 2, 3. Power is 3, 4 terms are there. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means number of terms is equal to n plus 1. What is n? N is power. Power, index. Indices means index. Number of terms is 1 more than power. That you understand. Okay, next. Number of terms you understand and powers also you understand. Now you see coefficients. Coefficients. See, coefficients, first one is coefficient. Second one and 1 is coefficient. Third one, 2, 1 is coefficient. Okay, you see how you can compare this? First one coefficient, second one, same one you are writing 2 times. But next time, first one you are writing 1 and 1 plus 1 you are adding and writing 2. Then again you are writing 1. Okay, that I will write there also, but you understand it carefully. Okay. See, next one you see carefully. powers, how they are distributing. If power 3 is there in each term, that power is matched. You see here power 3, here also power 3. In second term also power 3 is there. Why? Because see, A is having 2 power, B is having 1 power, B power 1 here. Okay. Total power matched. In third term also B, so here also. Third term also 1 plus 2, 3. Fourth term also 3 is there. That means power should match in each term. Here also you see A square 2 is there. Here also AB means A power 1, B power 1. B square. Here also see 1 means A power 1, B power 1. Here 0 means 1 power 0. Okay, you understand now? Okay. See, now how these terms are come also, I am going to write here. You observe carefully. First we will write 1, then 1, 1, then 1, but always left and right will come 1 only. So here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Why? Because coefficients you see. That's what I am telling. Sir, let me write this. Okay. See, now 1 plus 1, 2, again 1. 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, again 1. 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, again 1. 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 4 plus 1, 5, again 1. Like this it goes on distributed. What are these? See, here number of terms are also there. Elements also are there. You see, observe carefully. A plus B whole cube means third one. First, second, see, third, this one. This is A plus B 0, A plus B whole power 1, A plus B whole square, A plus B whole cube. Okay, here. First, second, third, fourth one. First, second, third, fourth one. You see, fourth one, 4 terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there, matched. Coefficients, you see, coefficients. 1, 3, 3, 1. You see, 1 is there, 1 into A cube. 3 is there, 3A square B. Again 3 is there, 3AB square. Again 1 is there, 1B cube. Okay. Now like this, we can match coefficients also. Okay. Now you see, now finally I want to write A plus B whole power n. Why? Because n we don't know what is that. Okay. See what I am writing now, you observe carefully. First I will write, then I will explain some terms. Not all terms. Some terms if I will explain, it will be very good. NC0 A power n plus NC1 A power n minus 1 B plus NC2 A power n minus 2 B square plus finally NC0 means NCN will come. NCN B power n. Is it okay? First you understand. This I am removing 1, 5, 1. Why? Because it is mixing inside. You understand it carefully now. See, when you understand this carefully, you see NC0 value is 1. Okay. NC1 value n. Okay. And the NCN value is also 1. Then you can understand carefully. That means, see, first term NC0 means 1. NC1 means n. NCN means 1. These 3 values, if you know, you can understand it carefully. Okay, now you tell me. A plus B whole cube only you compare now. A plus B whole cube. Here 3 is n. NC0. NC0 is 1. Whatever it may be. N whatever it may be. But NC0 is 1. Okay, factorial. Factorial we will do. Numerator and denominator. A power n. Into A power 1 into A power n. What is A power 3? If 3 comes means 3. A power 3. A power 3 is 1 into A power 3. Okay, matched. Next you see NC1. NC1 is n. That means n is 3. 3 will come. A power n minus 1. A power 3 minus 1. A power 2. See, A power 2. And B power 1. You see, B means B power 1. B power 1. plus NC2. See, NC2 3 will come here. That depends on n. Okay. That you need not take consider this NC2 onwards and all. Why? Because anyway we are applying delta x is equal to 0. No? At that time here delta x all going to get cancelled 0. That is why NC2 value don't what we can say need to know. Okay. But you observe carefully. NC0, NC1, NC2 up to NCn will come. Okay. And see a to the power of n full to a to the power of n minus 1, a to the power of n minus 2, a to the power of n minus 2, a to the power of n minus 3, like that. A to the power of n minus n means 0. Here, a to the power of n minus n is there like you think. A to the power of n minus n means a power 0. A power 0 is 1. That is why we have not written. B, if you see here, b power 0, 1 is there. That is why we have not written b power 0. B power 1, b power 2, b power n. Full n will come. In any term, total powers are n. You see here also n power. Here also n minus 1, n plus 1. Okay, like that it is there. Now you can understand this carefully. Okay, last term also we will see. You see here, last term b cube has come. Here also b power n has to come. You see b power n has come. NCN value is 1. You understand now? Okay. Now what we are going to do, this expansion we are going to do as per this binomial distribution. Okay, let us do. See what I am doing, expansion. Okay, that is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. X plus delta x whole power n means a plus b whole power n like it is there. See what I am writing. NC0 means 1 only. You need not write 1. A power n. A power n means here x power n. Write down x power n. Plus NC1. NC1 means what? N. N is how much here? N is n only. N. A power n minus 1. Write down. A power n minus 1. Into b. Into b means b is what here? Delta x. Write down delta x. Plus NC2. Write down NC2. You need not to find NC2. Why? Because anyway it is going to cancel out when delta x if you substitute. Okay. NC2. A power n minus 2. A is what here? See here. I should not write. A is x here. Okay. B is delta. A is x power n minus 2. B square means delta x square. Okay. Plus. Okay. Now NCN. NCN is what? 1. You need not write 1 into. B power n. B is what? Delta x. Delta x power n. Okay. See, this is only this one. But minus x power n is there. You understand now? X plus delta x whole power n expansion is this one under bracket. Minus x power n. Minus x power n. Divided by delta x. Divided by delta x. Okay. Okay. Now you understand carefully. Okay. This is expansion of this x plus delta x whole power n minus x power n divided by delta x. Okay. Now you proceed further. You do something. Okay. See what is the something? Only one thing you have to do. Just you cancel out this x power n. Plus is there. X power n minus is there. Okay. Then you write down again. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. Now x power n is not there. N into x power n minus 1 delta x plus NC2 x power n minus 2 delta x into delta x I am writing. Why? Because square is there. I am going to get cancelled now. Plus delta x whole power n minus 1 into delta x. Is it correct? Why? Because see, why I have written 1 delta x separately. If we add, automatically power n will come. I am going to cancel with the denominator. Okay. This I have not rubbed. You compare afterwards. Okay. Now you see. Now before that I will cancel out each other. You see here delta x will go with this delta x. Here 1 delta x will go. Here 1 delta x will go. Okay. Now no delta x. Now write down. Limit delta x tends to 0. N into x power n minus 1. For this no delta x plus nc2 x power n minus 2 but 1 delta x plus delta x power n minus 2 into delta x. Why I have written? See, even if I don't write also, n minus 1 also, if it's 0, if you substitute 0, all 0 going to become. Let us do it. We need not require n minus 1 only, you keep like this. Okay. Now denominator delta x is not there. Now we are applying limit. Wherever delta x is there, it is going to become 0 like. Okay, you see what is going to become. That is equal to n into x power n minus 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 into 0 plus all zeros like this only plus 0 power n minus 1. You understand now? Then finally what will come? Finally it will come f dash x is equal to n into x power n minus 1. See, except this first term, all are going to become zeros. Why? Because 0 is there. 0 is there. Delta x is there. Delta x is 0. 0, 0. All zeros. N into x power n minus 1. Okay. Now you compare this. For comparison, I have not removed this. Okay. Unless you understand this binomial distribution, you cannot understand this proof. Okay. But binomial distribution is different chapter. That is why whatever required that I have told. These you keep in your mind. NC0 is 1. NC1 is n. Irrespective of n. N may be 2, 3, 1, 4, whatever it may be. NC0 means 1. NC1 means n. NCn means 1. Okay. NC01, NCn1. NC1n. Finally NCn minus 1 also n. But we have not written that. Okay. Like this expansion will be there. This expansion you have to do here. Then this will come. Okay. Now you understand the concept or proof of this one. We have proved like in next class onwards, any derivative comes means directly we will apply this formula. Hypothesis. We don't do this again. F of x plus delta x. This process we don't do for remaining. Directly as per formula. If f of x is equal to x power n, f dash x is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Like that we will write and we will write directly answer. Now onwards we can write. And now onwards f dash x also we need not write. We will write d by dx. dy by dx. Okay. Note this and we will meet in the next class. And we will see proof of those 4 algebra also. Why? Because see, along with examples also we are seeing. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.